Welcome back to Gaia's English Garden. I hope you have enjoyed the lessons on the perfect tenses. In this video, you will be presented with the grammar charts for the perfect tense verbs. You will see verbs such as verb to be, verb to do, verb to have, and a few examples of simple regular verbs in the perfect tense form. Well done for making it this far into the video. Now, here are more verbs for you to practice perfect tenses. Verbs such as to walk, to work, to watch, to listen. Remember, to form any verbs in the perfect tense, only use the verb to have as a past participle form. For more lessons and more practice, join the mailing list in the description box below to receive more practices and mini quizzes to test your knowledge and what you have learned in all of your lessons. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel for more short and understandable lessons to help you learn English the natural way. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.